Have you ever thought why some companies put so much focus on after-sales follow-ups? The sales is completed, the product is delivered, and the payment is credited. Then why bother now? Well, let me tell you why. First and foremost, the post-sales follow-up calls add to the value of the product and enhances the credibility of the organization. It builds trust between the organization and the customer. This communication helps to capture the customer's feedback and also helps to resolve their queries if any. And not to forget, it also acts as a medium to seek referrals from the customer. Our customer, Mr. Kumar, has received his car in a grand ceremony held at the dealership. Now it is time to follow up with him to capture his feedback on the car and to resolve his queries if any. Let's see how the post-sales follow-up process takes place at the Škoda dealership.
Good evening, sir. This is Kalyani calling from Škoda, India. Is this a good time to speak with you?
Sure, Kalyani. Tell me.
First of all, sir, I would like to congratulate you on your new Rapid.
Thanks a lot. And thanks to you and your team. You guys really made this day special for me and my wife.
The pleasure is all ours, sir. I wanted to know from you about your experience with us in the car.
Sure. So the overall purchase experience was really smooth and comfortable. Thanks to Samir and his team.
We are glad to hear that, sir. What about your driving experience?
Well, Kalyani, up till now it has just been fantastic.
I'm glad to hear that. Any queries regarding the car?
Nothing that I can think of. The car is working perfectly fine.
Oh, that's great, sir. Please do let us know in case you have any queries. We will be more than happy to help you. Thank you for choosing Škoda.
Sure, I will.
Thank you so much for your time and patience, sir. Once again, congratulations for your new Rapid.
You're welcome, Kalyani. Bye.
If the customer is facing any issue, then report the concern to the sales manager or the general manager. Identify the root cause and resolve the query within 48 hours. If it cannot be resolved at the dealer's end, request the sales manager to update the unresolved concern to the ASM and seek assistance.
Hello Mr. Kumar, this is Samir from Škoda India. How are you?
Hi, Samir. I'm good. How are you?
Sir, is this a good time to talk?
Yes, it is. Tell me.
Sir, I just wanted to know if your Škoda Rapid is doing okay.
Oh, it's working perfectly fine. I'm really proud that I made this decision.
That's amazing, sir. That really made my day.
Just one more thing, Samir. I'm facing some problem connecting my phone via Bluetooth and I've tried it several times.
Don't worry, sir. I was just about to visit your place anyway to hand over some pending documents. So I'll resolve your query myself. Sir, when are you free to meet?
Evening around 5.
Alright, sir. I'll see you at 5 then.
Sure.
Bye, sir. Thank you so much.
Hello, sir.
Oh, hi, Samir. Come.
How are you?
Very good.
Sir, these are the pending documents of your car.
Okay. Perfect.
Sir, shall we go towards the car? I'll show you how to pair your phone with it.
Oh, yes, I completely forgot how it's done. Let's go.
No problem, sir. I'm here. I'll show you,
Sure.
please.
Sir, can I have your phone, please?
Sure.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, first you have to click on this icon out here. Well, sir, after it has been connected, you just have to click on the gallery, play your favorite song, and it is done.
So I was not able to recollect the second last step. Okay. Thank you, Samir.
That's all right, sir. Pleasure's all mine. Do you have any other queries?
No, that'll be all. Thank you.
All right, great, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
No, Samir, thanks to you. You came all the way down here to help me, even in your busy schedule.
Sir, in case you do have any other queries, please feel free to contact me over phone or email.
Sure, I will. Thank you.
And sir, one last thing. In case you have any friends or family who are looking at buying a new car, please do let me know.
Well, Samir, right now I can't think of anyone, but I have a big circle of friends, and you never know who's planning to buy a car. so I will surely pass on their references to you.
That'll be absolutely great, sir. Thank you so much.
All right, Sameer, thanks a lot for your help.
You're welcome, sir. Pleasure's all mine. It was great having you as a customer.
See you.
I think that was the right way to conduct a post-sales follow-up with the customer. The idea is to be courteous and open to help the customer at all times. One important point to notice is that we should maintain just the right amount of communication with the customer. The customer should not be annoyed with the excessive calls, messages or emails. Your performance would be by the customer satisfaction survey, which consists of: did your dealer contact you after the delivery to inquire about your satisfaction? The KPI of this stage would be measured by the PSF score. Doing the above things correctly would help to build a long-term trustworthy relationship with the customers. Here we saw how Sameer smoothly captured Mr. Kumar's feedback and went out of the way to resolve his problem. Let me now quickly tell you about the highlights of this process. They are: Number 1. Visit a customer in case a concern is raised during a third-day call to the customer from Skoda Auto India. Number 2. If the root cause is not identified, or if the identified root cause cannot be resolved at the dealer's end, request the sales manager to update the unresolved concern to the ASM and seek assistance. Number 3. Make a DMS entry of every call made as against an Excel entry for better and efficient tracking and future follow-ups.